I'm gonna check out my tumble stones today. Let's see what we got. Hey guys, I am back from cleaning my tumblers and setting them back up. I want to show the process of what is before and after when you tumble a rock. So here's the rough part of lavic jasper. See the red and yellow, the sharp edges, and the rough look. Down here is the finished product. Here's a nice piece of red lavic jasper. You can see the agate in there. The next piece is a yellow piece of lavic jasper. Has a crystal pocket. Both sides. That's kind of cool. This piece is a deep red. You can see the agate veins and everything in the different shapes. Very cool. This piece of lavic jasper is really unique. Has all kinds of shapes in there, from red, orange colors, and there's some little crystal pockets. Very cool. Here's something I found. It's a piece of chalcedony. Polished very well. You see the shapes in there and everything. Here's one piece of lavic jasper. Right here is lava. Turn it around. A beautiful piece of lavic jasper. See the red, yellow, maybe greenish yellow, orange. Very cool. Now you notice these jaspers come in different shapes. Large, small. And these smaller ones can be made into jewelry. So if you're a jewelry maker, a wire wrapper, these would be perfect little items to make jewelry with and sell it. Very cool. But that's it for now, but my next video will be at the California Federation show in Lancaster, California. It's hosted by the Antelope Valley Gem Mineral Club, so I'm going to put a case in, see how well I do in the competitive part, and I'll also vlog the displays and the vendors. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.